how to see hidden photos on your MacBook computer. So this will work on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and also iMacs as well. So if you can't find a photo or you've accidentally hidden a photo on your Mac, then the first thing you'll need to do is just open up the photo gallery like this. And I'm just going to hide a photo to demonstrate how this works. So I'm going to right click on one of my photos, and then I'm just going to select hide photo. Now, once the photo has been hidden, you can go and find this in the hidden photo folder. So if you click on view at the very top of the page, you can then scroll down to show hidden photo album. You may need to enter your password to go and access this folder. And then if you scroll down on the left hand side, you'll now have this folder called hidden. Go and click on this. You can then select view album and then press use password. You'll then need to enter your Mac password in order to reveal these photos. And now you'll be able to find all of your hidden photos. If you want to unhide a photo, you can simply right click on the photo and then you can just press unhide, and that will send the photo back to your main photo gallery.